Hey guys, back again. I'm MJ. Many people ask me about how to install a Windows 10 without using any USB pen drive or DVD. So in this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 10 without any USB and pen drive. So first, you need to go to Google in your browser, and in the search box, just type Windows 10 download and go through the first link. Open the first link. You will get this page. Now click on download tool. Now this is a media creation tool, so click on this and select your location. Okay, so it's a download is completed, as you can see. Now open this tool, media creation tool. Here first you need to download the ISO file. That's why I'm making this video. Okay, so now just accept this. Click on accept. Okay, now check on create installation media for another PC. So check on this and then next. So we are going to download ISO file, and here select your language, architecture and edition. Language, okay, English. Edition, I'm going to take Windows 10, and the architecture is 32-bit. If you want, you can select 64-bit if you are using previous operating system in 64-bit, but right now I'm going to take 32-bit. And okay, that's it, simple. Next, click on next. And here the important, we are not going to make a pen drive, we are going to download the ISO file. So check on ISO file. So don't select USB pen drive, check on ISO file. Okay, and next. Now select your file location. This is a Windows 10 ISO file we are going to download. Okay, and simply save. So now relax, sit back, and it will take some time to download the ISO file. It depends on your net speed. Okay, I have done. My Windows 10 is download ISO file. So open the ISO file. You can double click or right click on this ISO file and open with Windows Explorer. You can double click also, or you can do Windows Explorer. So after this, click on sources, and here find this setup file. Just go down. Where is it? Yeah, here. So right click on this setup file and click on run as administrator. So you need to run as administrator. So click on run administrator. Okay, you will get this screen. Select the language, time, and next. Now click on install now. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, so now it will ask to enter the product key, but I am going to take the next. So skip now, click on skip, and then simply click on accept and next. That's it. Now click on install Windows only advanced custom. Okay, take the custom installation. So here be careful, I am going to install Windows 10 on the C drive. So select your correct drive, select your C drive, and then format it. So don't format another drive. So I'm going to select the C drive and format. Click on format and then OK. So wait for it, it will format. Okay, done. As you can see, my C drive is formatted. Total size is 29 and available size is also 29. Look at that. And C drive is automatically selected. Now click on next. So your Windows will install in this drive. So now it's time to take a little relax. Windows installing will process. So let it to do its job. It will complete 100%. Okay. So remember, you are going to install in the C drive. So don't format other drives. So it will format only the drive C data. It's time to rebooting. Okay, let it to reboot and don't do anything now. It's getting ready. Yeah, okay. So now again it's asking for product key. We will do later. Okay, so just click on do this later, and now click on use express setting. That's it. You're almost done. Yeah, so around 30 minutes it will take. I think around 20 to 30 minutes it will take to installation. Okay, so take its time. Okay, now move on this PC, of course mine. So click on I own it. Next. So password I will give you later. So I don't want to give the password right now. So you can skip this option. Click on skip this step. Okay, here you need to give the PC name. Yeah, it's important. So give any name like home, office, or your name, whatever you are, like admin. Okay, I will give the home, and then simply next. Okay, you are done almost. Yeah, I think. So very soon you will get your desktop screen, Windows 10 desktop screen. So this is the final process. Okay, it's setting something. Okay, take your time, man. Okay, this won't take long time. Okay, so we have to wait something for this because we are going to install OS, not any software. So be patient here. Okay, done. I got my desktop, Windows 10 desktop screen. That's it. It's very simple. So this is a way to install Windows 10 without using any pen drive or DVD. I hope you like this. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much. See you next video.